Joining us now on AM Buffalo is Andrew Bennett, Vice President of the Children's Hospital of Buffalo Foundation, which provides essential funding for technology and vital programs for patients and families at the Oshai Children's Hospital.
Why is it so important that the community gets behind and supports our Children's Hospital here in Buffalo?
Children's hospitals across the country rely so significantly on their community for philanthropic support. And we're so lucky to have Oshai here in Buffalo, so families don't need to leave to get the very best care. And much of that care is often reliant on community support, like our child life team, our trauma program, our neonatal intensive care, ICU. So there's many programs and services, equipment included, recruitment and training that is very much impacted by community support, whether that be from an individual, a business, or a foundation, or even an event. So it's very widespread and makes a real impact day in and day out.
That's so fantastic, because things like the child life team, for example, I mean, that's not billable, like that's not covered.
Correct. And we're very fortunate to have a generous community that helps support that program.
And how does that program work?
The child life team is dedicated to different areas of the hospital. And if you think of the perspective of a family and a child, you have your nurses, you have your doctors, you have your procedure, your visit, and all along that journey, your child life specialist is there to help normalize the experience, reduce anxiety, when it's appropriate, have some fun, whether it's through art or music. There's a whole list of fun things that the child life specialist will do with the patients and their siblings in some cases, and their parents, and really is just the glue that brings that whole experience together.
I guess there has to be lines drawn, but it's always funny to see what is counted as essential and what's like non-essential. But something like that just seems so essential. And then also a lot of your equipment you wouldn't have if it wasn't through donation.
We're the only pediatric level 1 trauma program in the region. We're helping the most severe situations and injuries, both for kids and then our neonatal intensive care unit, our NICU, is caring for the littlest, most precious babies from across the region. It's over 800 babies a year are coming in, and it's a really special place. But much of the equipment, like you said, that helps those programs be so successful, we're able to provide through donations from the community.
It's great that we are the city of good neighbors and we are so generous.
Very much. Community support is going to help us be more successful, working with kids from all across the region, providing life-saving treatment and care.
To support the Children's Hospital of Buffalo Foundation, visit 4och.org.